everyone. Welcome to a very, very special edition of Palatable Provisions. So as you know, I'm Jonathan, and I'm so excited to spend some time with you talking about Easter. So Easter is this Sunday. If you can believe it, we're already there. Now, like most of you, our Easter plans in this house changed multiple times. I think we're on Plan Z. So I decided that since we weren't able to go on our trip like we had planned or have people over for Easter, that I still needed to bring some normalcy around this holiday into our home. So I decided that we're gonna make Easter baskets for our friends. So in the market, there are so many different types of Easter baskets. So today I'm gonna show you this beautiful guy that we're gonna build, but there's also other styles that you can buy. Now, when you make an Easter basket, you really want to tailor the basket to the person or the audience or group of people that you're entertaining for the holiday. So for little kids, it's more candy and treats, but for adults, these are treats. So we could actually put this in an Easter basket. So we brought some fun things into our categories. So we had Easter candy, quarantine snacks, self-care, home health, and yes, even some toilet paper. Because it is a precious commodity and we have to have something fun in our lives and kind of poke fun at the situation that is going on right now. All right, so let's get started. I've got all my stuff here to go and we're gonna build our Easter basket. First, fill the basket with grass. Then you get to begin having fun. Now, as you're adding in your items, you'll want to start with a tall item. That way you can add height. In front of that, you can then place your other items, which adds layers. Try to move the grass around to hide certain items. This way, it's a surprise when your friend or loved one gets to it. And don't worry, it's okay to have items overlapping other ones. This will help to create depth in the presentation of your Easter basket. Also, don't be afraid of the grass. I promise you're not going to hurt it. So feel free to pull and tug on it to get the basket to look full. Also, you can continue to add grass to fill in the open spots if there are any. Wow, that was so much fun. We have just created so many beautiful baskets. Let's take a second to bask in their beautifulness. So you can see here that I've got some additional items on the side of this basket that we just built. And the reason is, don't be afraid. If you have bigger items and they don't fit in the basket. You know, if I had tried to put our Clorox wipes in the basket, there would have been no room left for some of the other fun stuff like the carrot candy or the candle or even the beer. I've also added on the side some toilet paper since it is a hot commodity right now. And then for this folk, I want him to have some self-care stuff after a shower, so some nice body lotion. Then if you notice over here, I've built another basket in this beautiful pink color, but it's got some different stuff in it. It's got different chips, it's got different wipes, it's got a different beer, it's in fact got a Bud Light, but I've also included with it our toilet paper and our Clorox wipes. Now, like I said, there's so many different sizes of Easter baskets out there. I would say that these are medium-ish, you know, an average size. Some are much bigger, takes a lot more stuff to fill, and some are much smaller. So if you only have something in the house that's a smaller Easter basket, you know, you could build something that is only focused on one certain category. Like over here, I've built a self-care. So we've got tissues and scrubs and face masks and wipes and a candle, all fun things that you can use in the bathroom and giving yourself a pampering day, but also our Clorox wipes and our toilet paper. Well, there you have it. I hope everyone is as excited as I am about Easter coming, even though we have to spend it in our homes and self-distancing, which is okay, we'll get through it. So from our family to yours, we wish you a happy Easter.